Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here comes a recipe for homemade hamburger buns with the best flavor and texture. Combine 20 grams of fresh yeast, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 150 ml of warm water, and 220 ml of fresh milk in a bowl. Mix with your hand until the yeast is fully dissolved. Add 120 grams of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 5 cups of all-purpose flour gradually while you are kneading. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Cover the dough with a kitchen towel and set aside for about 20 minutes. Deflate the raisin dough gently and take tangerine-sized pieces. Roll the pieces into balls and place on an oven tray, remembering to leave space between them. Let them rest for 5 minutes. Gently press down on top of the buns and set aside for another 15 or 20 minutes. Now brush the buns with a mixture of 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Finally, sprinkle with sesame seeds and bake for about 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 200 degrees. Hamburger buns are ready. After cooled, cut the buns in half and prepare your burgers. You will have 12 buns out of this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.